Alright, what's going on, guys? I know I haven't made a video in a really long time, but today we have a new mod done to the S2000, so let me go ahead and show you guys that right now. Just in case you guys are new to the channel, this is a 2003 S2000 Berliner Black. Let's give you a little walk around. All I have done to the exterior is just a OEM front lip. Can't even tell right now. These are like some pretty shitty wheels that I've had these on the car since I got the car, so definitely need to get new wheels. 20% tint all around. But yeah, she's basically stock. Muffler delete, stock exhaust with a muffler delete, and yeah, this is how she's sitting right now. Stock ride height. So let me pop the hood. Go ahead and do a little walk around here. Alright. You guys can't even see shit. Get some light in there. Sorry for the lighting, guys, but here it is. Got the K&N FIPK intake installed. I want to give a shout out to my boy Benitez Garage for helping out with the install here. But yeah, guys, this is a really common intake for the S2000. If you guys don't already know, you can look up on S2KI and all the forums, and you'll see that this is a really popular intake because it's similar to stock, but it just has the open filter, so you get a lot better sound. This intake is so much better than the one that I had before. It was like a Weapon R intake. I haven't even heard of it, and the filter was just filthy dirty, so it was just robbing the car of power. And this, you can just tell it's not really crazy gains, but slightly better throttle response and a little bit better sound, especially in VTEC. You can really tell a difference of the intake sound. It sounds awesome. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do a sound check. We're going to do a sound check of the noise from inside the cabin, and then we're going to do a hard pull of VTEC outside of the car so you guys can get an idea of what the intake sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's give the car a little bit of revs so you guys can hear it. That shit is stupid loud in the garage. I'll leave it right here so you can hear the intake, actually. Right on the intake. Yeah, she sounds good. Let's go for the ride. Alright, so let me give you guys a little bit of the interior noise here. It's kind of hard to film with one hand, but fuck it.